Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this breakout from this rising wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for RNDR token that I shared a few days back with my members on 14th of January, when the price line of RNDR was completing the final leg of a harmonic bullish reverse garland pattern with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down for the completion of this final leg of the garland, and then we can expect another reversal from this potential reversal zone. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg here. And after that, we had a very powerful price reversal, and this was almost 140% pump, a quite big pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal bad move that was also getting completed on the 4-hour time frame chart, but this time with US dollar pair. And I told my members that we can buy it from this range, and then we can expect a pump from here. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this leg here, and then we had almost 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me take you to this weekly time frame chart first, and here we can see that RNDR token has already broken out the resistance of a very big down channel in the month of October 2022, but we got rejected by this very strong resistance of 85 cents. And you can see previously this level has been working as a resistance here and as a support here, resistance here, and last time we got rejected here by this level, and we dropped down, and after forming a double bottom here at this support of 40 cents, we had a powerful bullish reversal, because this double bottom is a quite powerful reversal signal, a bullish reversal signal. And you can see that the price line followed this signal and broke out the next resistance of 85 cents. Now if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then on this 4-hour time frame chart, for the past several days it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern. You can see we found this resistance of this wedge here, and when we were just entered this wedge on 9th of January 2023, and you can see even after several rejections, we were not able to break out this resistance. And now recently we have broken out this resistance a few hours back, and now we are likely to retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And in case of successful retest, the price line can start the next move to the upside from here. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern, then after this breakout, the target can be here, that is approximately at $1.72, and the final target for this big breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $8. However, we also have a lot of resistance here at $6.50 as well. You can also set your long-term target here as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.